Okay, so I got this at Costco. It was on sale and it's the 4-pack stackable shoebox organizer. And I am going to use it for organization, but it's not going to be for shoes. And when I saw this, I thought this is a storage issue that I have in my pantry, and I'm fixing to use it for our snacks, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So when you open it up, it looks like this, and it's back like this, and it's super easy to assemble. It's an interlock system, and it's got A and B, and it's got instructions, and you just kind of push them together. They just kind of sit in place. So you got A, B, and you got C. Like that, they just kind of interlock. That's what one looks like, and there's 2 door panels. Actually, these were kind of frustrating. They didn't really want to stay together interlocking wise. They needed kind of maybe make a different interlocking system, but for what I'm going to use it for, and of course, like, it is meant for shoes, so, but it's got 2 opens, so if you want to open it 2 ways, but this is just one. We're fixing to do the others. All right, so there it is all together, all 4 of them all together, and I wanted the big side out like this because I'm fixing to put stuff in it. I wouldn't put anything really heavy in it, like cans or anything, bottles. It's not very sturdy enough for that. Like I said, it's meant for shoe storage, but we're gonna use it in this pantry for snack storage. And there it is, holding the snacks.